In this video, we are going to learn about how you can use the conditional logic option. First, go to User Meta. Forms. Create a new form. I want to make a registration form for new users. Then, take the fields from the sidebar. Next, select a drop-down field for making a qualifications field. I want to make a conditional logic for the other option. That means, if anyone selects the options, then the conditional logic will work. Now, take a text box from the basic fields and label the field. After that, go to the advanced option. At the bottom, you will see a checkbox option to enable conditional logic. I want to make the logic for qualifications, so selecting the field. Then, write down the option name Others. According to the condition, if someone clicks the Others options from qualifications, then the text field will appear. Choose Hide or Show for the field for your given condition. Write conditions using any other field of the form, which is or is not, and the value. You can add more than one condition by clicking plus button. Choose whether all conditions need to match or any match of them will provide you the result. After done with the customization, click Save Changes. Now, let's try this form on a page. You will see, our conditional logic is working. This way, you can use conditional logic options for any other fields according to your preference. Thank you for watching.